TBK Career Point. So here is a software developer internship opportunity for the students currently pursuing students from the Talview company. You can see here details to build tools which help create better opportunities in the field talent measurement. So you can go through the company description and what is the task you are going to get hands-on experience with the latest programming language frameworks and technologies. So so the eligibility is a current undergraduate or graduate student in a computer science and software engineering related field, strong knowledge in at least one programming language. This is important point. So and remaining things are common: strong communication and collaboration skills, ability to work independently, and this is about the offer. If you are interested, you can apply the opportunity and share to your friends also, and like the video for better reach. Thank you all. Link is provided in description box.